I'm about to take the biggest risk of my entire life. My name is Tyson Lutz, and I'm an entrepreneur. I'll be turning my dreams into reality through hard work and dedication. That's why I'm dropping out of college and starting my car detailing business again. Let me explain. 3 years ago, I started my car detailing company from the ground up, but then I put everything on pause to serve a 2-year church mission in the Dominican Republic. But now I'm back and hungrier than ever, but this time it's all or nothing. I'm rebuilding my business from scratch. Every step, every detail, every decision, I'm documenting everything so you can see exactly what it takes to make it and become a successful entrepreneur. I did it once, let's see if I can do it again. In 2 years' time, I'll be right here buying my own C8 Corvette. Only one way to find out what happens in the end. Click subscribe to join the journey.